Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new, hi, my name's Shivana. This is my channel. So in like 3 days, I'm moving into my college apartment. It's a 4-bedroom apartment, so I'm gonna have 3 other roommates, but I'm gonna have my own room and my own bathroom, and then I needed to bring stuff as well for my kitchen. So in this video, I'm just doing like a college apartment haul video. I'm just showing you guys everything I've bought and everything I've kind of found around my house that I'm bringing with me. Most of this stuff is everything I'm bringing. There's some stuff I'm gonna get once I get to the apartment complex, and then there's other things I'm pulling from my house still that I haven't figured out. So this is the most of it, and I hope this helps you out if you're also moving to any at all, because really this is just apartment stuff. I hope you guys like this video, and let's just get into it. Whoa, I don't know where to start, guys. Okay, so the first thing I got was this. This is heavy. This 16-piece porcelain dineware or dinnerware set. It's just white, like bowls, plates, and cups. It was 20 bucks at where did I go? Bed Bath & Beyond. And I just think it's gonna be perfect for whatever I need. It wasn't expensive, so I'm not worried about them like breaking or anything like that, but I'll have dishes when I move, so I'll be able to eat, guys. That's important. So the next thing I got was a magic bullet. I got this because I wanted to take the blender from my house, and my grandma was like, no, you can't take that, that's mine. Let's find you a magic bullet. So I got it for $20 at, what's that store called? Bed Bath & Beyond, because they had like a deal for it. So like that's not bad at all, and I make smoothies constantly, guys, so definitely will be using this. So the last thing I got at Bed Bath & Beyond was this. It's a comforter, like a really soft, really plush comforter. This is what it looks like on the bed. So fun story about this though, I saw it on display and I actually fell in love with it. I really loved it, but they didn't have any in stock. So I got up to the cash register and I was like, do you guys have any of these available? And she was like, these are like a big seller this year. Like they're going real quick. We literally don't have any, and I don't think we're getting any in stock. We really don't even have any that we could order for you. Do you want the one on display? And I was like, sure. So we went back and we looked at it, and there wasn't really any stains on it or anything like that. There was a little bit of dirt on the corner because it had been kind of sitting on the ground. And she was like, you'll get a discount, whatever. So I took it home, and so it's currently in my washer, and dirt came out. So we're good, but I really like it. It's super soft, and I'm quite obsessed with it. And I got a discount, so you know, love that. I stole some ice cube trays from my house because there are none in my apartment. There's no ice machine, and we have an ice machine, so nobody uses these. So I'm taking them with me. I have some makeup wipes. This is just my box of them that I've been using from Costco, so I'm just taking the rest of them with me. I got some laundry detergent. I like having clean clothes and such, and then to go with that I have some fabric softeners. This is just the end of one of the boxes at my house. My grandma was like, you didn't have these, so clean clothes. The next thing I got was the shower curtain. It was $10 at Target. I really like the pattern on it. It's just like these lines, and it came with the shower rings, curtain rings. So excited about that. I think this is really cute. So the next thing I got at Target was this little vacuum cleaner. It's a cordless vacuum. It like detaches and stuff. I don't know. It's chargeable. Anyways, I just thought this would be perfect. This was like $80 and it was on sale. And it's small, so it will fit in like the tiny amount of storage space I'm gonna have. My grandma said I could have the teapot from the house because she doesn't use it, and I think it's super cute. It's red and cute. She's also letting me have her rice cooker because she got an Instant Pot, so she doesn't really need this anymore. So it's also red and it matches the teapot and it's cute. Anyways, and a girl loves some rice. And then I'm just bringing some random tea from the house so I can make tea with the teapot. So then I have this pillowcase, and I just shoved some towels in it because I didn't want them getting dirty in my like packing arrangement here. But I'm bringing 2 beach towels from the house because there is a pool there and I love to swim, so beach towels are kind of a necessity. And then when I went to Target, I picked up these like towels for bathing. They're like super soft and I really like them. I got 2 of them. I really like the color as well. It's just this light pink color. They were a little bit more pricey than other things I could have bought, but I figured they'd last me a while and I'd be able to use them whenever and like in future apartments and future living situations. So like I said, super soft, really like those, and I'm really happy with them. So we're just gonna keep them. And I said I got 2 of them, but then I also picked up this, they're bar mop towels, but just kitchen towels or types of things. They came with 4 and they were $4, so can't beat that. And then I also got a hand towel to match my bath towels. Let's just shove all of this back into my pillowcase. Please hold for my cleanup session. You know what? Clean up as you go, guys. It just saves you a lot of time later and a lot of overwhelming stress that you don't need. Alright, so moving on. I'm bringing some Clorox some Clorox disinfectant wipes, just to be clean, you know, cleaning supplies, all that fun stuff. I don't know why I'm explaining every product. Some Febreze lotion and you know, some body wash. We love Bath and Body Works. I got this garbage can from Target. It was $4 and I'm gonna use it in my bathroom. And then I got this garbage can that I'm gonna put in my room from TJ Maxx. It was $8, but I like it, so whatever. So then I also got a pot from TJ Maxx. This one was $15. Just a super simple pot. Has like rubber handles and stuff, so not gonna burn yourself or anything, but make some food, you know. I also got a skillet as well. This one's also from TJ Maxx and it was $13. But again, you gotta be able to make some food. So the next thing I got, well, I didn't really get this. It's just a toaster. When we moved here, my family got this one and then we got a better toaster, so I just kind of held on to this because I knew I was going to school. But yeah, I'll have a toaster. I am obsessed with bagels. They're like my favorite thing ever, and so this will definitely get used. Got some Bath and Body Works candles. They're literally just ones that I have at my house. I'm just bringing them with me, as well as some hand soap. So lastly, I've just kind of been collecting food items that can be like in a pantry and aren't gonna go bad. So I'm just gonna kind of run through what I have so far. All right, so I have some cereal, Frosted Mini Wheats and Honey Nut Cheerios, 2 of my faves. Got some mac and cheese. It was like buy one get one free, so I was like, well, let's do it. Got pasta. Literally just gonna live off of pasta when I move because it's like $1 for this, and I could make like 4 meals out of this. So some ramen, some top ramen. This is like college essential #1. I got some oatmeal. I actually super love oatmeal and it's freaking cheap. I found these in my house and no one eats them but me, so I'm bringing them with me. They're just freeze-dried mango packets. I figure these are great to take with me like for class and stuff. And then some granola bars, another good thing to take to class. That was just at my house, that's why it's open. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much everything I've like kind of bought and put together and kind of got everything together to go. I am taking the sheets off this bed with me, and then I'm also taking my pillows off this bed, but I'm sleeping with them until I move, so I'm gonna keep them here for now. And then I'm also gonna be taking some other stuff around my house as I find it, if I need it, you know. But for the most part, this is kind of what I'm taking with me. Like I said, some things I'm gonna buy once I'm there, and if there's anything major that I totally forgot in this video, please comment down below because I can always use help, and maybe someone else also could use the help. But I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful for anybody who's moving or anything like that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you did like it, make sure you please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I would absolutely love if I could hit 1K subscribers on my birthday next month, so please help a girl out. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Indian summer.